Review 3, we have Fantastic Four Rise of the Silver Surfer. Yes, they made a sequel to this, even though IMDb didn't really agree with it. Now, let's dive into it. It came out in 2007. It's only PG. It's an hour and 32 minutes. So we have Ioan Gruffudd, who again plays Reed Richards, Mr. Fantastic. We have Michael Chiklis, who plays Ben Grimm, The Thing. We have Chris Evans, who plays Johnny Storm, Human Torch. Jessica Alba, Susan Storm, The Invisible Woman. Julian McMahon, Victor Von Doom, also Doctor Doom. Kerry Washington's in this again as Alicia Masters. Now here was something that I didn't know. So, Doug Jones plays the Silver Surfer, which I'm not surprised. He is one of the best actors, especially when it comes down to transformation. Now, I'm very upset with myself because I didn't realize it until I looked into the cast, but Lawrence Fishburne voices the Silver Surfer. Now, the whole film kind of takes you by surprise. We get introduced quickly to Reed and Sue, who want to, they are trying to get married. It looks like, from the sounds of it, third time, and it's not working. Every time that they try and get married, some catastrophic event happens, and it just doesn't work. Now, the Silver Surfer basically drains life from worlds. But what they don't know is that he is being ordered to do so. And one of the best things that I enjoyed about this film is how Chris Evans portrays Johnny Storm perfectly. Because Johnny is cocky, he's determined, and you see at the minute that he sees the Silver Surfer, he thinks that he can easily stop this guy. And he learns the hard way that you can't. Ends up plummeting down into Earth, ends up going to Egypt, I think it was. But, that's just how cocky guys are. They think that they can do it. Now, the Doctor Doom comes back in this, and he tries a sneaky way to get the board when he realizes what it does. Now, I'm telling you all this because it is a Marvel movie. If you are into comics, you know everything about these guys. If you don't, it's just an action movie that you're going to want to finish. It really upset me that they didn't go a third film with the four of these guys because the chemistry was amazing. And you add it, Julian McMahon was the best. I mean, the best Doctor Doom. I know that Robert Downey Jr. is out there and he's probably going to do a great job at Doctor Doom. Probably. You never know. But Julian brought him to the big screen. And that's one thing that you cannot take away from Julian. He was one hell of an actor. He was a great villain. He died way too soon. And I felt like I should do something like this to just commemorate that. We need to watch more of his stuff. Realize the beauty of the person that we lost. IMDb gave this a 5.6 out of 10. I give it a 4 out of 5. It's fun. It's a good watch. And it sucks that he's gone. If you haven't seen this and you want to see it, it's on Disney+, so give it a watch.